If you are active on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord, and searching for new cryptocurrencies to invest in, you must have heard about real-world assets, haven't you? And if you are also looking to understand what they are, how they work, and what the best real-world asset projects are, then you are in the right place. Because today, we're diving into the exciting world of real-world assets, or RWAs for short. Get ready to have your mind blown as we explore how these top 10 projects are revolutionizing the crypto space and attracting the attention of big players like BlackRock, Fidelity, and more. So, what exactly are real-world assets? Simply put, real-world assets are tangible assets that exist in the physical world, like real estate, commodities, art, and even US Treasury bonds. These assets are being tokenized and brought onto the blockchain, creating a whole new realm of investment opportunities. But why should you care about real-world assets? Well, let me tell you, the potential for real-world assets in the crypto space is enormous. By tokenizing these assets, we're unlocking a level of liquidity and accessibility that was previously unimaginable. Imagine being able to invest in a piece of prime real estate or a rare work of art with just a few clicks on your computer. That's the power of real-world assets. And it's not just small-time investors who are taking notice. Even the big guns, like BlackRock and Fidelity, are starting to see the potential in real-world assets. With the ability to fractionally own these assets and trade them 24/7 on the blockchain, institutional investors are beginning to dip their toes into the real-world asset pool. Before we proceed, please note, this is not financial advice. The future of crypto is highly speculative and investing is risky. Do your own research and consider consulting a financial expert. Now let's dive into some of the most exciting real-world asset projects out there. RWAs, occupying the 10th spot on our list, is revolutionizing the trading landscape of traditional assets, including stocks and commodities, by leveraging blockchain technology. As a decentralized exchange, RWAs distinguishes itself through its capability to enable on-chain trading of a diverse array of traditional assets. Kicking off with Asian stocks, the platform aims to expand its offerings to encompass a comprehensive range of global real-world assets, covering everything from stocks and derivatives to real estate. By tokenizing these assets and making them tradable on a blockchain, RWAs is tearing down barriers and democratizing access to international investments. This is a big deal because many people around the world have been excluded from these investment opportunities due to geographic, regulatory, or financial constraints. One of the key advantages of RWAs is its focus on empowering users. With RWAs, all you need is a simple wallet connection to manage your positions and seize investment opportunities globally. This is a far cry from the complex and often exclusionary traditional financial system. RWAs is also committed to democratizing global investment and making it more accessible and inclusive. They believe that everyone should have the opportunity to participate in the global financial system, regardless of their location or financial status. The price of RWAs recently made an impressive leap from 70 cents to $1.55, effectively doubling its market capitalization from $15 million to $32 million in just a week. With its capacity to unlock access to trillions of dollars worth of assets for a global investor base, it's evident that RWAs harbors immense potential. Despite its current status as a microcap project, its groundbreaking approach positions it for significant growth and transformation within the investment landscape. At number 9, we have Chintai, a project that's been leading the charge when it comes to tokenized real estate on the EOS blockchain. They believe that tokenization of traditional asset classes, like real estate, offers unique evolutionary advantages, and they're working hard to make that a reality. One of the biggest benefits of tokenized real estate is the potential for increased liquidity. By breaking up real estate assets into smaller, more accessible units, Chintai is opening up investment opportunities to a wider range of people. This is a big deal because real estate has traditionally been a very illiquid asset class, with high barriers to entry. But Chintai isn't just focused on liquidity. They're also big believers in the power of transparency. By creating an immutable audit trail of information for each property on the blockchain, Chintai is making it easier for investors to make informed decisions and for the entire real estate industry to operate more efficiently. Chintai is also working hard to drive the adoption of tokenized real estate on the EOS blockchain. They've developed a comprehensive industry solution that includes an integrated issuance portal and secondary exchange functionality, as well as a go-to-market strategy and partnerships with key players in the commercial real estate space. Chintai's price recently witnessed a substantial rise, escalating from 10 cents to 21 cents, which increased its market capitalization from $100 million to $220 million within a single month. Given its emphasis on enhancing liquidity, ensuring transparency, and driving adoption, Chintai is strategically positioned to emerge as a key player in the tokenized real estate sector. This focus, coupled with its innovative approach, sets a solid foundation for Chintai to potentially achieve a minimum market capitalization of $1 billion, highlighting its significant growth potential in the evolving digital asset landscape. Coming in at number 8, we have Alliance Block, another project that's making big moves in the world of real-world assets. They've just unveiled their groundbreaking solution, the Nexera Protocol, which is set to usher in the next era of NFTs. The Nexera Protocol enables the creation of mutable and composable NFTs, called meta-NFTs. These third-generation NFTs can have both mutable data and metadata, which means they can evolve dynamically with new properties and restrictions over time. This is a game changer because it opens up a whole new world of possibilities for NFTs. Imagine art pieces that evolve with new properties over time, games where players can influence the game world, or digital collectibles that can grow and change as they're cared for. But the real power of meta-NFTs lies in their ability to represent real-world assets. They can be used to represent asset-backed loans, investment opportunities, and even accounts, with properties that can be changed depending on on-chain and off-chain information. The Nexera Protocol also solves the challenges of metadata and interoperability that have plagued previous generations of NFTs. By allowing for easy creation of meta-NFTs that can interact with both on-chain and off-chain sources, the Nexera Protocol is paving the way for a new era of NFTs that are more flexible, scalable, and extensible than ever before. The price movement of NXRA, surging from $0.125 to 25 cents and thereby doubling its market capitalization from $100 million to $200 million within just few days, is truly impressive. This substantial growth is significantly bolstered by the support from Alliance Block's comprehensive infrastructure, which positions the Nexera Protocol as a catalyst for unprecedented innovation within the realm of real-world assets. The potential for the Nexera Protocol to transform various sectors, ranging from art to finance, highlights Alliance Block's capacity to become a pivotal force in the industry. Given these promising developments, Alliance Block is undeniably a project to watch closely, with a clear trajectory towards surpassing a multi-billion-dollar market capitalization, marking its emerging dominance and influence across industries. At lucky number 7, we have Clearpool, a decentralized credit marketplace that's shaking things up in the world of on-chain lending. Clearpool has just announced a major enhancement to its interest rate mechanism for permissionless pools. This improvement gives borrowers much more flexibility by allowing them to incorporate a premium or discount to the interest rate parameters within their pool. But what does this mean for lenders and borrowers? Well, for borrowers, it means they can quickly adapt to changing market conditions and attract more liquidity when they need it by adjusting their interest rates. And for lenders, it means they can be incentivized with higher rates to provide that liquidity. This enhancement is a big deal because it shows Clearpool's commitment to creating a robust and efficient lending ecosystem for everyone involved. Clearpool is at the forefront of innovating the on-chain credit landscape by empowering borrowers with greater control over their interest rates. However, Clearpool's innovation doesn't end with interest rates. They're expanding their horizons with thrilling initiatives, such as their latest collaboration with Pal AI, aiming to integrate artificial intelligence into their ecosystem, enhancing its capabilities and offerings. The recent price movement of Cpool is indeed remarkable, with a substantial increase from $0.155 to 32 cents, effectively doubling its market capitalization from $70 million to $145 million within a mere month. This significant growth is a testament to Clearpool's innovative approach and its rising prominence in the real-world asset space. Such advancements not only demonstrate Clearpool's potential to disrupt traditional financial mechanisms, but also underscore its capacity to reach a market capitalization of at least $1 billion. Clearpool's trajectory reflects a growing interest and confidence in the integration of blockchain technology with real-world assets, positioning it as a pivotal player in this evolving market. Revest Finance continues to make waves in the world of real-world assets with their innovative product, Resonate. Resonate offers a unique solution for DAOs and token holders, allowing them to trade time for money through an automated queue-based matching system. Recently, Resonate has expanded its offerings by partnering with Backed Finance, enabling users to borrow against the future yield on their Treasury bills. This collaboration widens the capabilities of Resonate and provides another tokenizer option for those seeking to leverage their fixed income assets. Furthermore, Resonate has announced the success of its real-world asset pilot with Hashnote, RWA Markets, and Cypherchain Capital. The pilot validated Resonate's UI/UX, tech stack, and demonstrated product-market fit by matching institutional counterparties. The success stories and feedback from the pilot participants have been overwhelmingly positive, with RWA Markets realizing an impressive 8.31% APR return. In another exciting development, Resonate has joined forces with Pendle to explore new frontiers in fixed yield opportunities. This collaboration aims to elevate Pendle's fixed yield offerings by strategically locking Pendle Principal Tokens, PT tokens, off the market, stabilizing token prices, and allowing Pendle PT holders to access an impressive 24.75% upfront APR on RS-ETH Pendle Principal tokens. The recent price trajectory of Revest, which climbed from 15 cents to 48 cents, dramatically increased its market capitalization to $41 million in a span of 2 weeks. Leveraging its advanced technology, strategic alliances, and triumphant pilot initiatives, Revest Finance is cementing its status as a trailblazer in the real-world asset sector. This positions it to transform interactions between DAOs and token holders with real-world assets within the DeFi ecosystem. Such advancements suggest that its market capitalization is on track to exceed $5 billion, highlighting its vast potential. Now, let's move on to our fifth pick, which is Dusk. This project is all about bringing privacy and compliance to the world of digital securities. With Dusk, companies can issue and trade security tokens in a secure and regulatory compliant manner. What sets Dusk apart is its unique combination of privacy and transparency. Transactions on the network are kept confidential, but regulators can still access the necessary information to ensure compliance. It's like having your cake and eating it too, and the benefits don't stop there. Dusk also offers instant settlement, programmable logic, and cross-chain interoperability. With features like these, it's no wonder that institutional investors like BlackRock are taking notice. The price of Dusk recently witnessed a significant rise, moving from 30 cents to 55 cents, which elevated its market capitalization to $250 million within just a month. Envision the potential of tokenizing real-world assets, such as real estate or commodities, and facilitating their seamless trade across various blockchains. The prospects are truly astounding. But Dusk Network isn't the only player in the real-world asset game. Another project that's making waves is Grandbase. This project is on a mission to revolutionize the way we think about real-world assets on the blockchain. Grandbase is taking a fully on-chain tokenization approach, which means that every token representing a real-world asset, or G-asset, is backed directly on the blockchain. No more relying on centralized custodians or intermediaries. This means unmatched transparency and security for investors. But the real beauty of Grandbase lies in its permissionless and decentralized platform. Anyone can participate, and users have complete control over their G-assets. Want to trade your tokenized stocks or commodities 24/7, 365 days a year? With Grandbase, you can do just that. No more waiting for traditional market hours or dealing with pesky intermediaries. And let's not forget about the liquidity and accessibility that Grandbase unlocks. Traditionally, illiquid assets can now be easily traded and exchanged, opening up new investment opportunities for individuals who were previously excluded from certain markets. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of Grandbase is its potential to revolutionize our interaction with real-world assets. By tokenizing these assets and providing immutable ownership and transfer records on the blockchain, Grandbase is eliminating costly intermediaries and reducing the risk of fraud. It's a whole new world of financial inclusion and opportunity. The price of Grandbase recently surged from $0.185 to $3.10, escalating its market capitalization from a mere $2 million to $37 million within a month, which is a hopping 17x. As Grandbase broadens its portfolio of tokenized assets and partnerships, the horizon widens exponentially. Picture a future where investing in a share of your preferred company or accessing the value of gold through blockchain becomes effortless. This is the visionary future Grandbase is crafting, a future that is bound to attract the attention of institutional investors like BlackRock. Their potential involvement could propel this project towards a market capitalization of at least $1 billion. However, it's important to note that this speculation is not financial advice. But wait, there's more. Next up on our list of real-world asset superstars is Maple Finance. This project is taking the world of institutional lending by storm, and for good reason. Maple Finance is a decentralized platform that connects institutional borrowers with lenders, creating a whole new level of efficiency and accessibility in the lending market. By leveraging blockchain technology, Maple Finance is able to offer under-collateralized loans, something that was previously unheard of in the world of DeFi. But how does it work? Maple Finance uses a unique system of pool delegates to vet institutional borrowers and assess their creditworthiness. These pool delegates are incentivized to only approve the most qualified borrowers, ensuring a high level of loan quality and minimizing default risk. And the benefits don't stop there. Maple Finance also offers competitive interest rates, instant settlement, and the ability to lend in a variety of cryptocurrencies. It's a one-stop shop for institutional lending, and it's no wonder that big players like BlackRock are starting to take notice. The price of Maple recently experienced a noteworthy ascent, climbing from $14 to $24, which elevated its market capitalization to $195 million in just 1 month. Envision a future where institutional investors can seamlessly lend and borrow on a decentralized platform, circumventing the need for traditional financial intermediaries. This is the groundbreaking future Maple Finance has established, poised to transform the lending industry comprehensively. Such innovation has the potential to escalate Maple into a multi-billion-dollar project, reshaping how financial transactions are conducted on a global scale. But Maple Finance isn't the only project that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with real-world assets. Another project that's making waves is Ondo Finance. Ondo Finance is taking a slightly different approach to real-world assets, focusing on tokenized securities and yield-generating products. The platform offers a range of investment opportunities, including tokenized US Treasury bills and a unique stablecoin called USDY. What sets Ondo Finance apart is its focus on institutional-grade products and its partnerships with major players in both the DeFi and traditional finance worlds. By working with the likes of BlackRock and Coinbase, Ondo Finance is bridging the gap between the two worlds and creating new opportunities for investors. One of the most exciting products offered by Ondo Finance is USDY, a stablecoin that is fully backed by a combination of short-term US Treasuries and bank deposits. This unique collateralization method provides a level of stability and security that is unmatched in the stablecoin space. And let's not forget about the potential for yield generation with Ondo Finance. By investing in tokenized securities and other yield-generating products, investors can earn passive income on their holdings, all while benefiting from the security and transparency of the blockchain. The recent surge in Ondo's price from 40 cents to 90 cents, boosting its market cap to $1.3 billion within a month, highlights its growing prominence. As institutional investors increasingly delve into the realm of real-world assets, Ondo Finance stands at the vanguard of this evolution. Its commitment to offering institutional-grade products and forging partnerships with key financial players positions Ondo Finance as a magnet for attention from industry giants like BlackRock, marking it as a potential powerhouse in the multi-billion-dollar landscape of real-world assets. But we can't talk about real-world assets without mentioning Realio Network. This project is taking a holistic approach to real-world assets, offering a full suite of tools and services for issuers and investors alike. Realio Network is building a complete ecosystem for real-world assets, including a Layer 1 blockchain, a decentralized investment platform, and even a metaverse land project called the Realioverse. It's an ambitious undertaking, but one that could revolutionize the way we think about investing in real-world assets. One of the key features of Realio Network is its focus on compliance and regulation. By working closely with regulators and legal experts, Realio Network is ensuring that its platform is fully compliant with all applicable laws and regulations. This is a crucial step in attracting institutional investors like BlackRock, who place a high value on regulatory compliance. But Realio Network isn't just focused on compliance. The project is also offering a range of exciting investment opportunities, including tokenized real estate, private equity, and even fine art. By enabling fractional ownership of these high-value assets, Realio Network is opening up new possibilities for investors of all sizes. The price of Rio recently experienced a remarkable increase, soaring from 75 cents to $2.20, which tripled its market capitalization from $55 million to $165 million in just a month. Additionally, the innovative Realioverse project is redefining real estate investment by integrating it into the metaverse. This initiative allows investors to purchase, sell, and develop virtual land parcels, presenting a compelling new perspective on real estate investment for the digital era. Such groundbreaking ventures are poised to significantly accelerate the Realio Network's trajectory towards achieving a multi-billion-dollar market cap. As we continue our exploration of the top 10 most promising crypto projects linked to real-world assets, garnering the attention of investment giants like BlackRock and Fidelity, let's highlight the significance of growth and innovation in the cryptocurrency space. Each project we've discussed not only forges new paths in how traditional assets are viewed and managed, but also redefines the boundaries of what's possible in the world of decentralized finance. From democratizing access to global stock and real estate markets, to introducing novel forms of NFTs capable of representing complex real-world assets, these projects emphasize a shift towards a more inclusive and accessible financial future. Moreover, the emergence of new lending mechanisms and investment platforms focused on transparency and efficiency signifies the DeFi world's readiness to align more closely with the expectations and requirements of institutional investors. As blockchain technology continues to evolve and mature, its impact on the real asset world grows increasingly significant. The projects we've discussed are just the tip of the iceberg, with many more innovative initiatives under development behind the scenes. This is an exciting time for investors ready to explore new horizons and participate in reshaping the global financial landscape. Before investing in any of these projects, it's crucial to do your own research and consider consulting a financial advisor. The crypto world remains volatile and fraught with risks, yet it holds immense potential for those who are well-informed and prepared to navigate its often turbulent waters. Last but not least, I want to say that I really appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, hitting that like button and subscribing would be fantastic. It truly helps the channel. And that's all for today.